You've been difficult to find. Now I know what you are. You should have stopped looking. You should have stopped looking. That's never been my specialty. You have no idea what you found.
Vitrimox, they're awake.
You crossed the line the moment you followed me. I've crossed worse.
What is this place?
Where your investigation ends. You still think this is about one monster. You came looking for a killer. You found a kingdom. Then kingdoms fall too. You're not afraid of me. No, I'm afraid of what you're protecting. You should have walked away. I tried that once. Didn't suit me. That's new. Good. Now we're getting somewhere. I understand enough. You cannot beat what you do not understand. Heal, heal. Who taught you? The last one who tried to kill you. You have no idea who you're fighting. Then introduce yourself. Not really my style. Not really my style. Park insensitive. They all wake this. The city dies, but sentimental. Then tell me who Mike Clampin himself is. The warden. He spoke to you face to face. Then he wanted you here. That him? No, that's worse. You kept me waiting. You're first. You kept me the lock. Or silver. The core silver. Put it in the lock. Close it. I've guarded this city for 100 years. Your turn. I still owe you a drink. Make a good.